How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to go over what's in the GlassParency kit, the total car kit you see here. This is for the glass protection, the glass coating. So let's take a look at what's inside. Okay. Oops. All right. So you have your pad applicator, cream cleanser. This is for the prepping of the glass. And a couple of 2-packs here. So side A, step A, step B. So we'll be going through each step here on my Touareg back here and applying this amazing glass coating. Courtesy GlassParency. Let's get started. All right, y'all. Well, there you have it. GlassParency Total Car Care Kit is now applied, nice and clean. Very hard to capture on camera, but it works amazing. It rained earlier today and the water just rolled right off. So yeah, I hope you guys liked how we documented this process here. You know, as you can see, it's not really all that long, good bit of elbow grease, but you probably just go through a couple microfiber towels, and of course, using a squeegee, as you saw, does really help. So yeah, keep that in your arsenal, along with a GlassParency Total Car Care Kit, and you have more than enough to take care of your car once, twice, maybe even 3 times. So I'll be doing that ongoingly just to maintain the glass on my vehicles. I'm gonna take care of this one next and then the Beamer afterwards. So yeah, guys, do recommend this product. Feel free to use the links in the description. And if you aren't already, please go ahead and subscribe, like, and follow. And if you hit that bell notification, you'll stay in touch with us and stay up to date with all of our upcoming videos. So I hope you guys got something good out of this, and stay tuned for the next one.